Want to see how your sales are really performing, fast and clearly? With Busy's sales analysis reports, you get a complete view, from overall sales to detailed breakdowns. View reports item-wise, party-wise, by item group or party group, whatever suits your needs. Let's explore an item-wise report. Choose to view by day, month, or quarter. Then pick how you want it, date-wise or voucher-wise. Select the fields you want to analyze and get instant insights. Want to zoom in on one item or one customer? No problem. Filter by a single party or product with just a few taps. With Busy, make smarter sales decisions every day.